Hello guys, in the previous tutorial we already created the logistic regression and we found the coefficients here are significant. We need to check the power of the logistic regression prediction. And to do that, we need to create the confusion matrix. But first, before that, we need to create the forecasted values by the logistic regression. And for this purpose, we are creating a new variable here, which is pred_y, and we are saving the results in this variable. To predict the events, we are using predict function in R, open parenthesis, reg, which is our regression model that we created, comma, type equal response, because we need to find the response here. This is something we need to add when you need to use a prediction. So this is part of the code, comma, new data equal dataset minus 5. Let's understand this part. As I said before that, indexes in R started with 1. So this is the first index, the second, third, fourth, fifth. So we need here only to select all the independent variables to use them to predict the dependent variable. So we don't need this variable to be part of our new dataset because this is the actual. We need to predict them. So we need to exclude this column. And this column has the index of 5. So if we need to exclude it from our dataset, we type minus 5. Minus 5, that means we need to subtract it from our dataset. And that's why we typed here minus 5. Let's select this line, Control Enter, and we got pred_y. And we use this if-else function in R to convert any value greater than 50% to be 1 and any value less than 50% to be 0. And this is very simple. I'm using the same variable here to delete the original data and save a new data instead of it. Let's show you what I mean. Select this variable, Control Enter, and you will see that the values here in percentage, either 80%, 70, 95, and I'm sure you understand what is the meaning of that. But I'm trying to make something more intuitive by replacing these values either to 0 or 1 by using this very simple code. So if else, this is an if else statement in R between parentheses, pred_y greater than 50%, and this is a logic in R. So if pred greater than 50% is correct, that means we get 1. And if pred_y is not greater than 50%, we will get 0. And that's simply what is the meaning of this line of code. So select this line, Control Enter. If you this time select this variable, Control Enter, you will get 0 and 1 instead of a percentage. So let's now create the confusion matrix to see the accuracy of our model. And to do that, we are creating a new variable. We are calling it cm equal table is a function in R to create a table. And between parentheses, data between square brackets, comma, 5. What is the meaning of that? When I'm adding nothing here before the comma, I mean that I need to select all the observations, all the rows. The table consists of rows and columns. So when you don't select anything in the rows, you simply say, I need to select all the observations, all the rows, which are the 100 observations, comma, 5. That means I need to select the 5th column here, only the last one, number 5. And that's why I typed 5 here. Close the square bracket, comma, pred_y. So let's select this line, Control Enter. So we already created CM, but we need to print the CM on the console. So we type print. This is the function in R to print anything we want. Between parentheses, CM. So select this line, Control Enter. And here we go. Let's have a look at our confusion matrix down here. 49 correct predictions plus 44 correct predictions. The total in this case will be 93 correct predictions, which is 93% because we have 100 observations and we got only 7 wrong predictions. So we got exactly the same results that we got in Gretel.